What's up? Hope y'all doing good today. Just wanted to come on here and take a quick minute and talk about the Arma Kraton V2 EXB. I made a video of it not too long ago, and I lost the footage of it, but I just wanted to come on here and talk about it a little bit. So this is the V2 EXB. In addition to the standard EXB things that are put on the car, I have M2C center axles, I have M2C diff cups, and M2C drive shafts all the way around the car. I have a Perfect Pass Monster servo, 8.4 volt servo on the front. I've got the Hobbywing Max 6 ESC with the 5690 motor. I run between a 20 and a 22 tooth pinion on there depending on the time of year, and got the rocket fan on there, and of course we have the M2C motor mount, bearing carrier, and center brace, and then it's a Hobbywing heatsink on the motor, and I do have Scorched RC axle hub ends or axle carriers all the way around. Really enjoy those things. So that's what I've done with the car. But anyways, I wanted to just take a quick minute to come on here and tell you about what I changed today. Originally when I bought the Max 6, I bought it with this 4990 motor, and this motor is still good. It has about probably 2 hours of runtime on it. Real good motor. But I originally wanted the 5690 when I bought the kit, and I just were out of it, and I found this motor on Amazon, just the motor itself finally. I got it for, I had some Amazon credits and stuff on there, so got it for like $129. So I just went ahead and picked it up and put it on, and ran it today. Great motor, much more torquey. Doesn't have any difference on the top end or whatever, if you will, as long as you got the right kind of pinion on there. But the torque on this thing is absolutely insane compared to the 4990. While the 4990 is a bear of a motor and more than enough motor for this RC car, the 5690 is definitely more torquey and definitely has that grunt when you need it to. And if you have a lot of the upgrades, might not be a bad idea to consider that. I'm going to also throw an M2C chassis on there, so that'll add a little more weight, so just in case you want to know that. But I did just want to point a couple of things out. If you do intend to put the 5690 motor on your Arma Kraton, any variant really, any motor mount that I am aware of, one thing I realized was that the shaft on the motor is a 8mm diameter instead of the standard 5mm for your 8th scale cars, and also this shaft is also probably a quarter to half an inch longer than on the 4990. So my shaft was almost, well, it was actually hitting my ESC. So just keep in mind, if you want to purchase this and put it on the Kraton, that you're going to have to do a little bit of modifying. I used a Dremel and a cutoff wheel. Actually, it took about 2 cutoff wheels to cut through that shaft. Don't mind my dog. So you will need to trim that shaft down. I trimmed it to the same size, same length as the 4990 shaft. I just grabbed my micrometers and just measured and just cut through it, issued, all solid. And also keep in mind, you will need 8mm pinion gear to fit on there in order to run this motor. Also, one other thing is the heatsink. This was originally a Hobbywing 40mm can heatsink. I got it and heated it up and put it on the 4990, and it worked. And I did the same thing with this. I just heated it up with my MAP gas torch to about 550 degrees, and it just basically becomes almost hand bendable with some pliers, and got it malleable and put it around the motor and squeezed it tight, and as it cooled off, now it's the perfect shape to fit on there, and has the right retention, and it's good and snug on there, and it'll do its job with the rocket fan. So just wanted to point that out. If you were looking to do that, just keep in mind you'll need to modify the motor shaft a little bit. No big deal. If you don't have a Dremel, you can get one from, you can get an off-brand like a Chicago Electric or whatever, Bauer or whatever Harbor Freight sells. The one that I went and got yesterday, because my Dremel actually died, was just a $17 one from Harbor Freight, and a pack of cutoff wheels for $4. So it was like 21 bucks to do that, and I needed another one anyway, so no big deal. So yeah, if you're looking to do that, that's what it'll take. Also, if you'd be interested in winning this $49.90, I'm gonna do just a free giveaway on it, and just do like a random YouTube comment picker thing. So probably going to go ahead and do that. So if you're interested, put a comment down below in the video and tell me what you want to put it in, and probably run it for probably till I get back from my business that I'll be away for. So I'll be out of town for the next 3 weeks, so probably in about a month's time I'll go ahead and give it away. So if you're interested in winning the $49.90 motor, just put a comment below and I'll draw a winner. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. And by the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. It truly helps the channel.